population is aging. Advances in science and medicine mean we are living longer, healthier lives. It also means that there will be more and more of us who will outlive our partners, friends, and family. An older population, healthy enough to remain alone in their homes, but facing an everyday risk of accidents, Alzheimer's, and social isolation. How do we protect our grandparents, parents, siblings, and friends, while letting them keep the comfort of their lives, their daily routine? What if the solution lay in the routine itself? If the simple objects we interacted with every day were given sensors and Wi-Fi, each step of that routine could be combined to form a picture of a life being lived in real time. If we had that picture, we could know within moments if something wasn't right. A signal could be sent. And help, or simply a familiar face, could arrive. We think of the Internet of Things as a system to make our lives easier. What if it could also create a higher quality of life for those in need? Our homes have always provided shelter, comfort, and routine. Now they can provide data. Data that can be put into action to save a life or simply allow a life to be lived on its own terms. We all find comfort in our routine. Now we can find safety as well.